Hey guys, just a little quick teaser here. I am currently at Rock Island doing some filming for their next auction, and I found this. It's like a cool early SMLE, huh? Well, also have this. Oh, a martini. Oh, except they're the same gun. How cool is that? This, I'm still working on figuring out precisely what it is. Hopefully I will be able to, but this is some sort of training rifle where they used an available surplus old obsolete martini action coupled with sights and forend off of an SMLE or duplicating an SMLE to make a single shot training rifle. It is chambered for .303. So small caliber. They did that with some of the other martinis. That's the Martini Enfield. But yeah, check that out. I had not ever seen one of these before. No markings on the side of the receiver. And there we go. Let's get that right side up for you. Bradford OTC, which I believe is Officer Training Camp maybe, and a rack number. Yeah, that's too cool. This is kind of like the Mausen field that the Turks put together of Mauser Enfield. So the question is this a Mar field or is this an Entini? We shall tell.